Mother Nature is unpredictable. One day it's hurricane-force winds. The next it's pouring rain, heavy snow, or even relentless heat. Our buildings are made from commercial grade 80 steel with at least 22 gauge steel exterior for exceptional strength. SteelMaster Buildings come with state-stamped blueprints certified for your specific wind, seismic, and snow load requirements. A SteelMaster Building is engineered for the strongest winds, certified for wind speeds of up to 190 miles per hour. Our buildings are also HVHZ Certified, Florida product approved. Impact tested, giving you added confidence that your building will stand under any conditions. Surviving the storm is half the battle, and when the storm is past, the difference is impossible to ignore. While other buildings give way, SteelMaster stands its ground. Our buildings are coated with Galvalume Plus to help resist rust and corrosion while providing long-lasting performance. Every building is backed by a 50-year warranty, so you have peace of mind. Rain, wind, snow. Whatever Mother Nature's fury brings, SteelMaster is built to handle it. Choose bold. Choose fearless. Choose SteelMaster.